Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A4 AC filter. First, gather your tools, including a new cabin air filter and a screwdriver. Next, clear out everything from your glove box to give yourself plenty of room to work. It's also important to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off before you begin any maintenance. Now, let's get to the filter. Carefully locate and remove the screws or clips that hold the glove box in place. There are usually about 3 to 5 screws. Once unsecured, gently lower the glove box. You might need to disconnect a few electrical connectors if you need to completely remove the glove box for better access to the filter housing. With the housing exposed, unclip the cover to access the old filter. Before pulling it out, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for proper installation of the new one. Carefully slide the old filter out, then insert your new cabin filter, making sure the airflow arrow points in the correct direction. Finally, reassemble everything by reattaching the glove box and securing all the screws or clips you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, start your car and test the AC system to ensure proper airflow and function. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.